What about the gaming and benchmarks video? What happened to it? The 50,000 PC build, did you forget about it? Why haven't you uploaded it yet? Has Sundar's discriminating rubbed off on you? What's happening? Well, I've read all that, guys. I'm extremely sorry for the delays. But I did spend a couple of days, gaming and getting the benchmarks and whatnot for the 50K build that we did. If you've not seen the build yet, well, here's a time-lapse, a card to a time-lapse. Check it out. So without further ado, let's get to the gaming and benchmarks aspect of our 50,000 rupee gaming PC build.
Back from the dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop. The countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go,
Now we're back from the dead. We're back from the dead.
hell yeah.
We're back from the dead.
Are you ready? Let's go. Back from the dead.
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead. Back from the dead. Back from the dead.
Those machine guns are holding our lads back.
So that's it, guys. This was the first PC that we built on this channel, as in I did a series of videos about. If you did like, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Support us by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you hated it, if you want me to go back to talking about smartphones and, well, just doing smartphone stuff, vote this video down, and I guess that's it. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Since this is just us getting started with PC builds and whatnot. None of the formats are set in stone. If you'd want me to do something a certain way, if you want me to test out a different benchmark, if there's a particular game that you'd want me to test, these games are picked based on your feedback on an episode of Ash Answers, where I asked you guys what would you like to see me test. So let me know what is it that you'd like changed. If there's something you'd want me to improve, work on, let me know and I'll try to get that done. So that's it, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. That's very important. Anyway, if you're already subscribed, do this to make sure you get notified each time a video goes live on C4E Tech. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this is Ash here from C4E Tech signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.